Hey, future millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a game changer for anyone looking to turn their ideas into income without getting bogged down by code. We're about to explore the top 5 website builders that not only empower you to create stunning sites but also open up the doors to serious cash. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to transform your passion into profit. And the best part, no coding required. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about WordPress. WordPress, particularly when integrated with the WooCommerce platform, is a versatile and widely used content management system that empowers users to create robust and scalable e-commerce websites without the need for extensive coding skills. WordPress with WooCommerce is not just a content management system, it's a game changer for e-commerce. Its flexibility allows for easy customization, and with a plethora of plugins, you can enhance functionality effortlessly. Plus, you don't need to be a coding wizard to make your site look stunning. WordPress simplifies the process, making it accessible for creators of all skill levels. It's my personal favorite on the list because not only have I made several websites with it, such as this one, without touching a single line of code, but it's also the go-to for many successful online ventures. Now, when it comes to plans, WordPress has you covered from free options for beginners to advanced plans like staff, premium, business, and trade for growing enterprises. Here are some examples of the most famous websites that have achieved major success using WordPress. TechCrunch, a leading technology media property, relies on WordPress for its dynamic and content-rich website, showcasing the platform's adaptability for high-traffic and information-intensive sites. Similarly, Microsoft News, a global platform delivering diverse and visually engaging news experiences. Both showcase WordPress's adaptability, making it the preferred choice for content-rich websites with global reach. Now, let's talk about Shopify, a game changer in the e-commerce landscape. Shopify, with its user-friendly interface, revolutionizes online business creation by allowing you to craft stunning websites and manage online stores without the need for any coding skills. Now, let's talk advantages. Shopify offers secure hosting, mobile responsiveness, and a treasure trove of apps for seamless customization. From user-friendly interfaces to top-notch customer support, Shopify is the ultimate toolkit for businesses of all sizes. Thinking about plans? Look no further. The basic Shopify plan is perfect for small ventures. Shopify ramps up the features for growing businesses, and the advanced Shopify plan equips enterprises with advanced reporting and cost effectiveness, all without the need for coding knowledge. Now, let's explore examples of websites that have achieved great success, all powered by Shopify. MVMT Watches captures the hearts of fashion enthusiasts with its stylish timepieces. Allbirds, the sustainable footwear brand, seamlessly merges style and eco-friendliness on its Shopify-powered site. Partake Foods, a rising star in the food industry, brings a delicious touch to the e-commerce scene with its Shopify-driven platform. These websites are just one of many made using Shopify. The next one on the list is Wix. Wix is a versatile website builder that empowers users to create stunning websites without the need for coding expertise, offering a user-friendly and visually appealing platform. Wix stands out with its intuitive drag-and-drop editor, allowing users to easily design their websites. Its extensive template collection covers diverse industries, and the app market provides additional features and functionalities, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Now, when it comes to plans, Wix has you covered. Whether you're starting with the light plan for personal use or scaling up to the business elite plan for advanced options, Wix provides scalability without the need for coding expertise. Unlock the income-generating potential of your passion or business with Wix. Its user-friendly interface empowers you to create a visually appealing online presence, attracting customers without the need for coding knowledge. Discover the power of Wix with success stories like Behance Portfolio, where creatives showcase their talents with customizable templates, and Felix Gray, the eyewear brand presenting stylish products effortlessly on Wix's visually appealing and user-friendly platform. Moving on to discuss about Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one website builder renowned for its visually appealing designs and user-friendly platform, making it a popular choice for individuals and businesses alike. Squarespace stands out with its intuitive drag-and-drop editor, allowing users to create stunning websites without any coding knowledge. It boasts a range of professionally designed templates, robust e-commerce capabilities, and reliable hosting, making it an all-encompassing solution for website creation. Squarespace boasts professionally designed templates that elevate your online presence. From the personal plan for individuals to the business plan for small ventures and the commerce plans tailored for e-commerce, Squarespace offers versatility without the need for any code know-how. And here's the kicker: Squarespace isn't just about aesthetics, it's a tool to unlock income potential. Whether you're a solo creator, a small business, or diving into e-commerce, Squarespace provides the canvas for your digital success story. Mighty Mo Kids, an educational platform, and Equip planning lawyers and consultants, law specialists, both showcase Squarespace's versatility for engaging content and professional services, creating visually appealing websites effortlessly. Now turning our attention to Bigcommerce. Bigcommerce is a robust e-commerce platform designed to empower businesses of all sizes to create and manage online stores efficiently, offering a comprehensive suite of features. Bigcommerce stands out with its advanced SEO features, scalable hosting, and a diverse range of responsive templates, ensuring your customers have a seamless and visually appealing shopping experience. Whether you're a small business starting with the standard plan or an established enterprise benefiting from the pro or enterprise plans, Bigcommerce provides the tools for success. And here's the exciting part: Bigcommerce isn't just a platform, it's your ticket to unlocking income potential. With its user-friendly design tools, you can create an attractive and functional online presence that attracts and converts customers, all without the need for complex coding. Here are two notable websites exemplifying Bigcommerce's prowess: Mountain Crest Guardians, a landscaping brand, and Skullcandy, a leading audio company. Both leverage Bigcommerce for visually appealing and immersive online experiences. As we conclude our journey through these powerful website builders, the road to online success has never been more accessible. Whether you're unleashing your creativity, diving into e-commerce, or building your brand, these platforms offer endless possibilities without the need for complex code. So, pick your favorite, start creating, and may your online ventures flourish. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.